Hey everyone, this is SuperTales22 and we're back with another LEGO Demolition Derby. So, as you can see, we have changes on each of the cars. We finally have names on the cars, so you guys can see who's driving each of them. And I redesigned this car again. As you can see, the front has a bit of a redesign. And yeah, see the little roof here has redesigned as well. I changed the pipes for being down there to up here and redesigned the wing. It's a little bit flat, and we have a back bumper on the back of the car. I'll change the back wing for the second round. As you can see, it's up a little bit. I'll put it down here for the next round, after round one. And yeah, that's pretty much all the changes done to my car here. You can see there's a little chain here, but if the back bumper comes off, you'll see what happens with that thing. And here's a little bit of a change with the back bumper. Doesn't have those two prongs up there, and the back bumper, this one is raised up a bit too. So yeah, let's see how this Demolition Derby will go. Alright, let's see how this one goes. Now, we did some adjustments to the banners from the front window to the back before we got going. Let's see how this one goes. That's Lucas. That's Justin going out. Justin Rowdy Ruff. That's 2007 himself. This one's Kyle Rowdy Ruff driving it. This one's Drake Jones driving the open wheel car. Oh wow.
The bummer got
Jake Jones, his brother, taken to the track. Now let's see how my new newly redesigned car goes. See, this is who's driving this car. Let's see how this new redesigned car goes. Not that much. I'll try it again later. This is what I'm driving. Heh.
Go green.
Heh. What?
Go green.
Heh.
Well, some of it actually.
What?
Some of your cars are green, not all the way green.
Yeah, some of the cars were green. Oh wow. Sure they don't cause a huge mess. Unscathed. Oh wow.
Perfectly straight. I'm walking so good.
Yeah. Here we go again.
You can go green.
Oh wow. See how Lucas does. At least the redesigned car is doing great.
No. They're going
Went off the track. Went off the stage there.
Kyle's name banners kind of off there.
We're wasting time. He slammed into my redesigned car.
Oh, one of them.
And Justin flipped off screen. I wonder why he's always turning over.
Don't know. Just the mass of the car. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ow. Hit my.
Oh, we nearly hit the thing.
Nearly just tapped the camera.
That's a near miss.
Wow.
Get my car real quick. Here we go again. This will cap off the first round. Kyle nearly gets into Justin because the thing came off. We'll put it back on it before round two. What if you're blocking the barrier, dude? Redesign car is doing great. Alright, this will decide who will be the farthest for this first round. Oh wow. Don't slam into me,
Oh,
dude.
no.
I got the front thing came off. Holy crap. Oh wow. Oh dude. Oh wow. Looks like this guy will be the farthest. That's me. You can see I enhanced the back bumper to have a chain so it won't fly off. Alright, round 2 of today's demo. Oh wow.
I'm a lead. Kyle had a name tag adjustment.
Kyle had an adjustment to the name tag
Oh, what?
on that
What
one.
the heck?
Kyle went over the barrier.
What the heck? You nearly jumped the wall.
Wow. Alright, now I did make a adjustment to my car. I added a bigger wing here. I changed the back bumper. I put it a bit downward. See how this one goes. Whoa, looks good to me. Oh, and I forgot to do an adjustment to my car, but I'll run this way.
Watch out.
I'm gonna take it back to the adjustment area. Wow.
Ouch.
Gets into the back.
Like where you going?
Look where you're going.
Learn to drive. Oh, you darn degenerate.
What? Darn what?
Degenerate.
Heh.
Kyle.
Alright, here's the adjustment I did to this one. Brung these up a bit, changed the back bumper on it again.
Make sure I'm not in the way. This is the camera when I'm sliding the cars. Ouch. That's gotta hurt. That's also gotta hurt. Oh, especially that back impact. That's gotta hurt.
Make sure you're not in the way. Oh wow. Nearly missed me. Why am I always first as the thing came off?
Press down on the roof of your car. That won't count as a reset. That was just human error. Oh, and the impact kind of shifted out of place while I was
This
pushing
came off. If I wreck one more time, I'm done. That car's done.
Oh, back bumper came off.
Back bumper came off of my car.
There's no chain to keep it on.
I know. This could count as the end of round 2. Oh wow. See how this one goes. She'll be the farthest for this one.
Ouch.
Here we go.
Is that off screen or not?
Oh, always slammed into me.
I'm sliding. Oh.
Oh, let's check the results. This guy will be the farthest.
Another close finish.
Drake's gonna be the farthest. Look at this. The back of this nearly coming off. Holy crap. Alright, the final round. Let's see who's gonna win this derby.
You gonna take it home.
Who's gonna take it home? Let's find out. Kyle's out first.
Ouch.
Oh. Can't stop.
Oh, Kyle's
Oh, he's done at the last Brown.
Oh no.
Bring it back. I'll bring that back to it. 2 episodes in a row, he's done.
Wow.
Let's see who's gonna win it.
2 DNFs. Oh wait.
2 DQs.
Oh, ST's thing came off too.
What?
The nameplate too.
I guess I'll have to continue without it. Oh wait, this. Oh yeah, that was
from
from
the
mine.
DNF car. That was from the DNF car. My gosh. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Off screen. Ow. Okay.
All right, let's see who got it. Justin takes it.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
What a surprise. It just slides off screen
Heh.
and
Let's check real quick here on my car. See the back nearly coming off. At least that didn't bust me out of the derby here. Let's check the ones who got eliminated. This came off of this car. The back bumper coming off for the 2nd episode in a row. And yeah, I'll have this repaired for the next episode. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you guys later.